Hi, my name is Ajay Singh and I'm the CEO of Stoodnt.com. Today in this video, I want to cover a few things around the testing schedule. One is the college admissions testing overview and a recommended test schedule. Over last few months, we have been speaking with number of college admission counselors in US to see what would they recommend for any student interested in applying to US college admissions either here in US or internationally. Some of the few guidelines they have mentioned is on SAT test or ACT test, all juniors should take the SAT or ACT test for the first time in the junior year. Both the SAT and ACT should be taken with writing. Few other pieces around SAT subject test that students should think about in terms of their testing schedule. The appropriate time to take the subject test is at the conclusion of study of each subject. So for example, when a student has completed biology or chemistry or pre-calculus or language, once they have completed that course, they should think about taking the SAT test. The students applying to engineering or computer science should take SAT subject tests in math 2 and either physics or chemistry. Similarly, students applying to one of the combined or accelerated medical programs may be required to submit SAT subject test course in either chemistry or biology and math 2. The other piece is to help students decide which test to take. A student would ask us what test they should take for SAT subject test. Couple of pointers. Choose your strongest academic area as you think about the SAT subject test. Secondly, consult with your teacher for their advice, and this is very important. Now moving to the recommended test schedule. As you think about the high school years in US, that being from grade 9 to grade 12, and if you think about the testing schedule, grade 9, very few students will take the SAT subject test. Grade 10, some students will take the SAT subject test in chemistry and math 2 in either May and or June. So again, based on your position and what classes you have done, you can make a decision that if grade 10th is the right time to take SAT subject test. Very few students take SAT subject test in a foreign language at this time. Students should have finished their study of the language and be recommended by their teacher to take the foreign language SAT test. In grade 11, that becomes a very important year for all the students, whether you are in US or you are an international student applying to US colleges. Students should have at least taken one SAT or ACT score by end of their junior year. They should have that. So either they can take a SAT test in Jan or March. Maybe they can take a ACT test in February, April or June. And then May and or June they can take SAT subject test in two subjects if they have not already taken that. Now getting into grade 12, there are three more opportunities to take SAT, ACT or SAT subject test. September you can take ACT only. October you can either take SAT, ACT or SAT subject test. November SAT or SAT subject test. And December is only rare circumstances. If for some reason you need to do it, you can do it, otherwise it's too late. And the recommendation counselors give is always try to take these tests earlier on once you've completed the coursework than waiting for the last minute. I hope this was informative for students all over the world. If you have further questions, you can go visit Stoodnt.com, ask your questions to a counselor expert on the platform, or you can reach out to a counselor and get additional help if you want. Thanks for your time.